Hey guys, how you doing? Coach Scott again here to prepare you to do well in AP Chemistry, like we promised. And I think this will be our last video because I think everything else that I saw in the application packet, I think you'll be good to go. But let's talk about how we're going to name and write covalent or molecular compounds. Now, how do we know if it's covalent or molecular compound? Well, we look at our periodic table and we notice that all parts of this compound are the name. They're all nonmetals. They're all on the right side of the table in group 14, 15, 16, and 17, or even 18. All right, they're going to be covalent. If you recall about our covalent compounds video, they're not losing or gaining electrons, they're sharing electrons. That makes our life a little bit easier. Okay, so one, all components are nonmetals. N-O-N, I cannot write. Nonmetals. They're all nonmetals. Okay. Our life is simple now. Okay. We look at the first element in the compound, and the subscript will tell us what that name will be. If we look at our periodic table, you see these Greek prefixes: mono for one, di 2, tri 3, tetra 4, penta 5, hexa 6, so on and so forth. That lets us know how many of those nonmetals are part of that molecular compound. Okay. Now, if there's only one on the first one, the most electronegative element, okay, and that's what usually is first, okay, the most electronegative one, okay. That will you don't have to use mono. You just put the name of the element there, okay. If there's on the second one, you do the just like we did with the other ones. You take the root oxa for oxygen and put IDE there, so it's still oxide, fluoride, so on and so forth. Let's look at some. It's easier to do than to talk about. So I got nitrogen dioxide. Since it's just nitrogen, okay, if it was dinitrogen, that would tell me how many you got. But since it's just nitrogen, it doesn't have to be a mono in front of it. In fact, if you put mono on there, you're wrong. So that tells me that there's only one of the first one, N. Then I'll look at the second element, oxygen. What's O? Oxide. So there's a prefix in front, di, and I look and I notice this too. So the formula for this molecule is NO2, nitrogen dioxide. Let's look at the next one. Sulfur does not say di, tri, it says sulfur. So that means there's only one sulfur, S. Hexa, 6. Fluoride, F. S, F6. These are much easier. Now let's look at a formula and write the name. I've got a C in front, that's carbon. I don't have to put mono, so I'm going to put carbon first. Carbon. I need a prefix. It's 4. I look under there. 4 is tetra. Tetra. And then chlorine. I got to take the root. Chloride. Carbon. Tetrachloride. Not monocarbon. tetrachloride. That's bad. Bad. Don't do that. Now here's something a little different. You've got two nitrogens. So there I do have to use a prefix. 2 is di. So I'm going to call this dinitrogen. Tells me there's two nitrogens. There's a 4, so that's tetra. Tetraoxide. I think that's it. So that lets me, when I see the name, know that there's two nitrogens. PCl3. P is phosphorus, not monophosphorus, phosphorus. Phosphorus. P is P-O-U. Yeah. This is not English class. P-H-O-R-O-U-S. But there is a subscript there. 3, and the correct prefix for that is trichloride. Covalent compounds are pretty simple. And that's it. So this is, compared to ionic compounds, naming and writing the formulas for the name, this is relatively easy. Just don't make the mistake of putting mono at the beginning of the name. Don't need to. In fact, you'll get it wrong. That would be bad. So anyway, guys, I think you're well prepared. I do answer my email if you have any questions. Please do that. And if you have any questions, beginning of school, get with me. I've got a 6th period or 12th period library prefect. Come on in there and ask me a question. I'll do what I can to help you. All right. And again, you can get some of these. Do what I do. Go to chat or Grok and say, give me some covalent compounds to practice naming. And then spit as many as you want out. So anyway, guys, this is Coach Scott saying hullabaloo, connect. Can't wait to see everybody on August 4th. If not beforehand, should do that also. So anyway, guys, have a great rest of the summer.